Hey everyone, welcome back. I did a little bit of work today and this last weekend, and yeah, so I removed the red, well, the speaker, this piece here, this shelf was still up there. I removed it. There was just sheet metal up there, so I've put some of the original first step on here. I'm probably going to put some down here, and then I'm thinking about kind of sealing off the trunk or at least putting some deadening material between the trunk and the front, so that nothing, or at least reduces the amount of volume from the trunk into the front. And then, as you can see, I have a giant sledgehammer in here. The bracket that I received for my seats right here. And you can see these great big bars that run front to back on both sides. They actually hit right there. And you can see it looks like total hell because I was beating the hell out of it. It actually hits that. So you have to kind of massage it down a little bit to make it more flat across here. And further back that way, because all the bolts line up and everything looks hunky-dory until you're ready to put the seat on and the right side sits up an inch, because I don't know, I guess they didn't, I'm not really sure, because this piece is here. It's not like this is added or anything. They didn't have that in the measurements that they did, so had to massage that down a little bit, get it out of the way, and get it all cleaned up. I think that's pretty much all I did. So, more insulation or more sound deadening, and getting the seat bracket to fit. I ordered the passenger side. It should be here in a couple weeks. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to do the same thing over there. I guess we'll find out. But that's pretty much it.